If your summer days are anything like ours, busy and full of adventure, these gluten-free muffins are going to be your new best friend. They're soft, naturally sweet, packed with hidden veggies your kids won't even notice. Hi, I'm Masha, and with my 8 years of gluten free baking, today I'm sharing a recipe made with simple, nourishing ingredients that were inspired by these gorgeous flowers I picked out at the farmer's market. Great summer snacks for those sunny days with the kids.
They're also packed with good stuff, banana and unsweetened applesauce to keep them moist and naturally sweet, shredded zucchini and carrot, a little sneaky veggie boost for my kids, oat flour for extra fiber and that gluten-free goodness, and a drizzle of maple syrup for the right touch of sweetness without any refined sugar. Coconut oil, a sprinkle of cinnamon, it already smells so comforting and warm. I love that they're soft, kid approved, and freezer friendly. You can bake a batch ahead of time and always have something wholesome to grab before you head out the door. Whether you're packing them for a walk to the playground, a picnic, or a beach day, there's such an easy way to keep everyone fueled and happy. Just look how fluffy and golden they are. And out here, they smell even more incredible. These are the muffins you'll feel proud to serve to your kids and to enjoy yourself. I hope you give these a try this summer. If you do, let me know in the comments where you take them. I'd love to hear about your family adventures and see what you're baking. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like more easy gluten-free recipes, don't forget to hit subscribe and join me here at Masha Bakes Gluten Free every week. Wishing you a beautiful, sunshine-filled day. I'll see you in the next one.